The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's dummy units recently surfaced online, looking at a hands-on video of the smartphone, with its flat design and slightly rounded corners. New image shows the corner bezel of the smartphone, and shows the phone with One UI 7.0's charging notification on the screen. Last date for pre-reserving the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is January 20, 2025. With Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra, we already see our first look at the redesigned Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The 2025 flagship is supposed to have extra thin bezels. You can see the bezels represented on the dummy. New Galaxy S25 Ultra renderings showcase 4 primary color options. Galaxy S25 Ultra powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite. The listing revealed the CPU will have 2 cores clocked at 4.2 GHz and 6 more running at up to 2.9 GHz. The single-core and multi-core results are around 30% higher than they were. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will have 16 GB of RAM on board. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra will also be lighter than its predecessor, at just 219 grams. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will sport a 50-megapixel ISOCELL JN3 sensor for the ultrawide, a 200-megapixel H2 primary camera, and a 10-megapixel IMX754 sensor for the 3x telephoto camera. Samsung is sticking with a 5x telephoto sensor, which will be a 50-megapixel IMX584. Expect a slight upgrade in camera quality. The battery capacity for Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra has been leaked, and it's not good news if you've been optimistic and hoping for a bump compared to the S24 Ultras. The S25 Ultra's battery will be exactly the same as the S24 Ultra's battery at 5,000 mAh. Even the maximum charging capacity will stay unchanged at 45 watt. It might also pack 25W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging features. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is tipped to feature a 6.9-inch AMOLED 2X display with 3000 nits of peak brightness. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to come with Android 15-based One UI 7.1 for a deeper AI integration. The tipster claims the phone will feature 7 years of software updates and 7 years of security patches, like its predecessor. We should likely learn more about the phone closer to its launch. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.